Severe thunderstorm warning for Freeport now. There we go.
National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Whiteside County in northwestern Illinois, Joe Davies County in northwestern Illinois, Carroll County in northwestern Illinois, Stephenson County in northwestern Illinois, southeastern Jackson County in east central Iowa, northeastern Clinton County in east central Iowa, until 9:30 a.m. At 8:43 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Shellsburg to Elizabeth to Clinton, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Clinton, Freeport, Mount Carroll, Fulton, Savannah, Lena, Stockton, Leonard, Warren, Milledgeville, Fairhaven, Hanover, Pearl City, Elizabeth, Cheyenne, Cedarville, Davis, Levine, Sibylla, and Chadwick. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. This is Noaa's Weather Radio, KZZ 57 in Rockford. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast severe weather.